G'day, what's up, and welcome back for another video. Today I want to build off the back of yesterday's video where I talked about who is your customer and perhaps some of the key components of why you're not getting to where you want to be. Okay, so understanding your buyer is key, but what I want to focus on today is the two words affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of you are going to be struggling with getting your offers converting to commissions, and commissions is how you get paid. The reason for that is that largely you're acting with only the affiliate component of affiliate marketing. What you need to work on is the marketing. Now, the marketing is someone's ability to take a product to the market and sell it to someone that has a specific need for the product that you're selling. Now, this interlinks with customer, because if you're trying to sell something that a customer doesn't need, guess what? They're not going to buy it. Okay, so the advice, if you're struggling with affiliate marketing, is to focus and learn marketing, because you can find the affiliate part all over the place. There's loads and loads of offers that are released daily on the main channels of like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and the like, ClickBank. That's the easy part. Okay, it's easy to find an offer, and to some extent it's easy to find the tools you need to get that offer to people. But if those people are not the people that are going to buy it, you're missing that component of marketing. And it is really quite a technique, and some people may have it naturally. Salespeople sometimes do have a natural inclination to understand what's needed and what's wanted, but there's a whole science behind it. And if you're struggling, I would encourage you to take the opportunity to learn more about marketing and how you understand your customer and how you're able to take that product to market much more effectively. Imagine, the analogy would be if you just go out into a field and you're playing football, and you know that you need to kick the ball between two posts to score a goal. But what you're doing is just turning 90 degrees and kicking the ball into oblivion, hoping that you're going to score a goal. Guess what? You got no chance of scoring a goal. And that's what I'm trying to do, is focus. You know where you need to go, get some additional skills, and it should start falling more into place for you. Now, if you need any help, as I've said before in some of my previous videos, got a free Facebook group. Hit me up in the comments. More than happy to help. See you later.